$15.99 Telekinesis Air on Amazon.com. Call 77642. Bye. See you another day. Hi, my name is Telekinesis Boy, and I'm here to demonstrate a few ways, or one way to use Telekinesis Air, and I'm in my front yard. So let me go inside and get some Telekinesis Air to show you how to do it. So first you open it, you drink some for 1 second, and you close it, put it somewhere in your room, blah, 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 all that. Then you have telekinesis for a few weeks or something like that. And so now I'm going to demonstrate a way to use it by going to the park. Bye, Mom. Love you. Going to the park.
I love you too, honey. Bye.
Finally, I'm at the park. Now, let me show you one way. I want to go do something. Ah, a bully!
Give me your lunch money.
Never! He's in there now. I think we're fine. Let me go get some.
What's that for?
You'll see.
Oh no.
Come over here now. If you want to go down.
Okay.
Drop!
Yucky, that's gross. Ugh.
That's the end. Bye bye. See you another day on Telekinesis Air. Live.com. Buy now. $15.99 Telekinesis Air on Amazon.com. Call 77642. Bye. See you another day. Hi, I am the mystical, marvelous Javarius, and I'm here to demonstrate how to do Telekinesis Air. Woof! So hot outside. I think the sun is sweating too. So first I need a bottle of Telekinesis Air, which I'm going to go get right now. Bye. Ooh, got it. So first you open it, blah, blah, blah. Take some for 1 second. Then you'll have it for a few weeks or so. Just put it somewhere. And now I'm going to need a phone so I can make it float with Telekinesis Air. That's how it works. So let me go get it real quick. Here it is. So first, let me show you how to float. First, just a normal float. Now, I raise my hands, and it's floating! Hey, why are there camels here?
You're in a desert. There has to be camels in a desert.
Okay, then let's have a dance party! Buy now. $15.99 Telekinesis Air on Amazon.com. Call 77642. Bye. See you another day. Buy now. $15.99 Telekinesis Air on Amazon.com. Call 77642. Bye. See you another day. Hi, I'm Javarius, as you know, and call 177642. So buy Telekinesis Air on Amazon.com. Bye. See you again. Buy now. $15.99 Telekinesis Air on Amazon.com. Call 77642. Bye. See you another day.